Too slow, too slow. Tomato soup. Mama, the onion is making me cry. Let me wear my onion glasses. You think you can make my daughter cry for free? Yeah.
Okay, this juice says I must dilute with water, okay? Maybe some water.
Definitely need some juice today. Oh, too much. Too sweet. Ow, ow. Why is this thing not on? Oh.
Okay, this juice says I must dilute with water, okay? Maybe some water.
Definitely need some juice today. Oh, too much. Too sweet.
Every corner must be covered.
Ooh, my favorite, peanut butter. Oh, my child, I'm even scared to brush your hair because when you feel the pain, I feel the pain. But we have to get these knots out. Oh, you don't listen to me. Now your hair is full of knots and you're crying like I put the knots in your hair. Stop crying before I cut your hair.
Papa is ready now for Easter weekend. Hello everyone, this is Desam Tava, aka Tarantlope. If you are new, welcome and please do subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. Like, comment and share. Azish, enjoy.
What's happening here? Look at this guy.
I'm a fan of a bicycle. Can I chance a bicycle? Oh, no.
Hey, my man!
Oh.
Hey, how's it?
How do you know
I'm
he's
also
a man?
good, man. What's happening? Where are you going?
I'm going to France.
How do you know
You're
he's
going
a
to
man?
France?
Huh?
Yeah.
With your wheelchair?
Yeah, with the wheelchair. It's for my mental health.
Let me go on the side. Wait.
All right.
For mental health, yeah. Okay, what does it mean? It's for mental
So
health.
you're going to France? Going to France with a wheelchair?
Huh?
You're going to France with a wheelchair?
Yeah, I'm going to France with the wheelchair.
Man, how many days have you been traveling?
I've been traveling for 3 months.
3 months.
Yeah, 3 months. I'm taking it slowly.
Taking it slowly.
Yeah.
Aren't you afraid, my friend?
I'm not afraid.
Not afraid.
I've been going for
Police
3
will
months.
arrest you.
Why with the wheelchair?
Yeah, with the wheelchair.
From Cape Town to France.
Yeah, in about 6 years I will reach France.
6 years.
Yeah, in 6 years I will be in France. I will go through Mozambique, Kenya, all the way to France.
Ah, okay. Safe travels, ne?
Okay.
Yabo
Mozambique,
imama
then Kenya.
elingakwazi ukudansa. Everything bafethu. Imama libe yibhimbi imama makuya kuma challenge nasemdansweni imama nje alingakwazi nje ukudansa. Yazi usuke ubusisiwe umthole lo ntombazana ngesingisi bathi it's a blessing. Ngisho imama ungahamba nalo ushonela le maclubini aphezulu ufike liyinqizise likhanda imama bake silinyathele inyawo lihlekele liyibambela isandla umuntu wakhe. Ngisho uchama ke lapho bra wami uzokulandela ngoba mina ayike into azoyenza uzolandela wena kulini uqeda uchampula ubuzohlala phansi uzothi kushaya ikhatha ngo 9 10 11 athi baby sacela sigoduke busisiwe ke lapho bra wami sokuwona nje uzolibela ugolotha ubhebe sihlale kancane yabo umuntu uzoyitholela isibhengane Welele lalela mfana wami usukulingi okugcina ke lapho.
Sibhengani.
Ngoba phela intombi yakhona.
Ujayiva kakhulu.
Ngisho kuthona 50 rand. Ngo Friday yahamba eklabhini futhi ngazi buye ngesonto ngoba manje izofika lapha eklabhini bayivulela isikokela ngoba phela iyabhenga yona iyafequza yona bonke labo bayigrandile namantombazana ayigrandile phosela imali dad bazoyiphuzisa imali weekend yonke futhi abasafuni ukuya groovini ingekho khohlwa afana wami bayifana ngishilele bethetha was athi awanginamali kuthi hayi woza mfethu uzofika bamkhuza ngoba manje une vibe bethi itafula elinaye line vibe ginqa phezulu kwamatafula uyabathwekela ayikho into angabenzeli yona lapho lo muntu wena umgcina Friday mhlawumbe uzombona ngesonto ngisho ungahamba naye kukhathala wena eklabhini ulova ngo3 ntathu umthethe ayi mama ubona ngathi sesinganyamalala athi ubheba ukahle baba ozumshiye khona uneva futhi ke leyo nhlobo ayidakwayo kakhulu mfana wami ngathi ngale 24 zelwethe qambu ibhengo ibamba kulela tafula ubona ibambe kulela tafula iyabenu akekho ongayazi ngisho kuthiwa uyiqalisa iklab enja uthi okay baby kuSaturday khona la khona ishisa nyama engifuna siyishaye nolova mfethu kuzobe kumnandi sure yabo mifika lapho wona uzobe istididi wonke umuntu lapho uyayazi usneo ubhalisa ngoba phela isibhengane ubambe yonke indawo
kodwa lo mfana ngithi hey ngusha wazi kwemuhle mama faki namba lapho that's the thing with all these niggas, them niggas be cocky stuff with no money, bro. You got that. Ain't no nigga got paper. You feel? Oh, yeah, check the fat out. Oh, yeah. Hey, yo, shorty, let me holler at you real quick, mama. You know what? I'm gonna ask you one question right now. Have you ever been arrested, baby girl? Cause you just stole my hat, darling. Oh, dang. And baby girl, a nigga like me, I can take you places. And when I mean places, I mean even in the sheets. Goddamn, the things I can do to you. Dang. So, baby girl, just do yourself a quick favor and just lay slow Mario down, eh? Woo! Damn, nigga, look at my ass. Wadi ka party ka na bara tak tau ko di ka bara roti ba? Ooh, baby, what I've never seen you around here, madam.
But my friend is a beautiful day.
I'm not a photographer, okay? But I can picture you and me together. Huh? You know what? How about you put your numbers in my phone and maybe you can come over for dinner at my house and have extra spicy masala. I'm telling you, Jaco, that is the only way.
Screensaver.
Hey! Tipos! Chai! Baby! I can already test you from a meantime, eh? Baby, look at you. Look at all of that nyash behind you. Oh! Baby, all of that nyash can save the whole community, eh? Baby, you wanna taste millions, eh? Come to Zazeni, come and eat all the money you want. Everything you want comes by you. Chine Pepe. So just do yourself a favor. Just give me your numbers. No, later I want to go to roll you again. Ciao, Belal.
Botswana.
Let me food. Sorry. I cannot boutique.
I have a cousin called Boutique.
Get a last put a lantern. Ate ba re kamena e wang katam ate muritu ko kere kin salam polelle to ta ko pala ngaya no tsana le na na hai ko pala na re jola rata na re tsola na
mar gore ngntso ore
antsat e o didi me tsa mama swat
o tsogile mama
kana ba bisika na le mma kama ko pa
yo
Name a book in the Bible that starts with the letter M.
Mazakia.
Ezinye advices ke guys sinethi beka nje uqhuba imoto zikhona advices abantu abangazokumamela kahle uzithetha nje ungaqhubi so that's why nam before ndithethe lena kufuneka noko ndikhawulezane bengathi no ndihamba ngespeed semoto so that nive kahle le ndiyithethayo
njani
relationship soze ulast about relationship full ube nawo temtem ukuthini
yeah balance clever and tip not too clever not too tips
besimbekela indawo pha ngasemvumeni ubani ke mntana umama uzawuhlala ngasemvumeni nentombi yakhe nabazi
Ndihlala nokujula ngasemva mna
ewe mama
ngoba
kaloku mama le indawo yami abantu abatshatileyo mama bohlukanisa
ngoba kuba imoto ithengwa ngaka imali kaba
kaloku mama unyana wakho xa seyitshatile into zakhe zezakhe
mna ndingena ndawuni ke ngoku
kaloku mama asizukushiya sihamba nawe kodwa ndiyacela mama uhlale ngasemva
Ndingakanani mna makoti ndingakanani mama unganesibindi
ingahloniphi
silelo ndingakanani mna
uthule ke wena ngoba awunayo nenja wena into yaziyo ukuzala yakukhuphe emotweni
wafika yathengwa wafika seyithengwa le moto awungenza yabona makoti ungafuni into siyenze
mama ungumenda apha ekhaya ne wendile
ubani owenza usile lo mthakazi usile lo mthakazi fanele phansi
utata usaphila uhlala ngaphandle imoto yendoda yakho mthwalo uhlala ngaphandle
andizuzala umntwana athenge imoto kutsho uzohlala wena phambili
baby
Mina baby. Kanti akabizwi umnyani
Yabo guys, asolo bekuyi-first time yami ngigibela itaxi. Mangifika lapha bangwelcome vele bangipha imali. Wonke umuntu iphuma ku-left, iphuma ku-right, iphuma like wonke umuntu bekafuna ukungipha imali. Ngingasajabulanga. Lapho ngithi ngiyivaka khona i-wallet number yayo ka-driver.
Uzokufaka emathuneni.
Makhelwane ngiyabonga ayiwazi wangisiza webantu. Le nto abala bengizoyinyukela ubani. Ngisizile kakhulu. Wadazi wayisiza Nkosi yami vele wayitholela ngesikorokorwane esindina nje. Nami ngake ngithole sona nje.
Sikorokoro. Izwe sindlula kamnandi kanjani kuma-humps.
Wona noma kukhohlozela nje kuyakhohlozela kodwa uyabona lokho kwamasekenya. Wavele wayemasekenine. Yona le omunye umuntu ongazazi izinto angazimdini. Ayithethe wayithenga imoto entsha. Kati nje iseke. Wayisiza bakwethu.
Futhi ngiyavele ngayishaya cash mark. Yenzela khona uthi nje kungalokhu.
Phela vele wakwabucako yini kangaka?
Ngikinywe installment.
Ncananga nje kwalokho installment sesekeni ngathi sibayibali. Akekho umuntu ongasunda yilo. Ukuthi nje phela thina lapha ekhaya siyanqina nje ukudrive. Hayi ngoba ngabe sesangithe.
License ayiphuma ke ngophela kukabili.
Hayi khona sonke lezo lapha ngeke.
Uqhuba ibhala bese ucabanga ukuthi ke makhelwane liyangena nasemgaqweni. Kufuneka incwadi.
Kanti khululeka ke sisi incwadi nje zikhona lapha kwami ukuthi nje siyanqena ukudrive. Yazi ukubone ngisho uphuthuma emsebenzini. Mawuphuthuma emsebenzini itekisi kuyashesha. Noma ngasebenzi mina.
Kunjani lo mama
ke? Kubona laba abasebenza ukuthi noma besebenza kuyasi.
Ungayihlukanisi ngoba simunye. Yazi uJesu wathi kubafundi bakhe ekhuleke entabeni. Wathi akayikhulekeli yena yedwa njengoba emunye noNkulunkulu. Wathi ukhulekela nalabo abanye ukuthi nabo ababe munye. So mina mangabe njengoba nginalesi sikorokoro
nami kufana
nice.
Noma ngisazosithola esami mina siqondene. Noma ungangibala kuleya lesikorokoro ngabe isakho wena. Ukhona okwenhlambe singakushare amakila ngoba lesikorokoro cha. Ngisamuhle ngisahlezi la eceleni kusayisakho wena.
Akabongi lo.
Bengisabona kule installment eke ukuthi installment uyithenge cash ngoba unqina installment. Kanti usukwazi uthenga isakeni nge-installment. Makhelwane
kuyenzeka makhina ubuka amandla akho. Ukuthi hayi amandla njenganawe nje makhina uhlala ku-one room. Ubani osengakubeka icala ngokuthi ku-one room ngoba phela amandla akho ungathola ukuthi umuntu uhlala kuyithabathaba ulambile wena unesinku uyasutha
ku-one room.
uhlala ku-one room.
angithandile leyo makhelwane angithandile ukuthi bese ufaka indaba yakwanto mathi kuba ngemoto la
amandla womuntu awafani sengisho lokho ukuthi ungathi usanekamera elilodwa
I knew that society was doomed the moment that we abandoned this gem of an appliance for air fryers. Like this godly appliance, guys. The things this thing used to do to chicken, air fryers can only dream. Like this thing is the top 2 greatest of all time appliance, and it's not number 2. Number 2 on that list is this toaster. You see this toaster, guys? I need to find it. Like, I think life will start making sense the day that I have a toast from this toaster again. Like, guys, these days we have what they call sandwich pressers, single slide toasters, and all that woke stuff, man. It's not hitting the same. Like, that's when I knew that society is on a downhill slope.
I know.
And Gucci yao ke 20 tao. Ya ka ke krile ka 360. Ainya again. Asen nna ke itseng o sa rata ke di special. Na re batho le di special re rata o kra ke lo tse pila.
Gucci 350 aga.
Ore a o tshela ka metsi ya nela bya a ke tsene.
Mama. Seki ne. Oh, hai o ska khutla late lo yena le sedi e go fela wa tsa ke wa rishwa ke maparo o ao. Wa tsa maparo o ao. O ngopotsa tore ke lorile maloba. Wa tsa tore ke lorile maloba. Nona ne Godzilla mo. Le batlang batho ba aperinche ka wena je. Hai go fela shema ke batlo le warisha shem go wa itse taramo ke batla go fela nje we enjoy youth ya o mara che moaparo o ao o le tore ke lorileng go hai o itse skirile ke shem e re itulele cause ha ke bua e tla ba ka re maybe nje I'm just controlling your mind a ke batlo go controla decision cause ta so mental health a ke tsa mo itse chomya so mandla mara nna se ke tsho fela ke tore ke lorileng e ne batla batho nje ba perentse ka wena je ba tsama masimo phela ona nngwana ona tsamaya kwa a tswa ha bo ne re kena lena ka bo 19 ke 72 a perentse ka wena so azanga khutla ngwana o azanye phela maparo o ke maparo wa mtsheare mara wena tse ka wa periso bosigo a ke tsebe monna modimo tla tswa wena shema go wa tsa tshilo monna mosotho a re motho wa ikgethela bophelong go wa ikgethela gore o batla se o batla se o tla tswa wena monna modimo mara nna shemchome so manda ke ba tlo maka shem toro tsontse ke di lora matsatsinga ibile today west phela today ke lorile the exact same moment e tsalang so gore ke lorile o wa tswa nje a ke tsebe no o ya kae no ke mesh o mesha ke tsebe etsang eng hona mo ho no na ne di bomb ka di bomb hona mo ene bomb tseo di batlo batho ba bereng tse ka wena ke hlola ke tso ke re lesedi a go zame o be presentable lao ya tsona di plekeng tseo ha o tse botla kopana le bo mang ke le wa bona hai mara shemiri ke ithulele cause le yona behavior ke gale ma today and every day ma go tla tswa wena nna ke bona shemontso ba wes ke ithulele shema go tla tsama antle monna modimo go ha o tswa fela o ska tswa ka mo wa bona o ka tswa ka mole Aisha maybe ka ba beteri mara wa tswa ka mo ha o tla ikutlwa shemo ene ke tlo hlokofala ke tsebe nna ibile ke ithulele shem because o tla ngopola
tama para pijama ntate we can let go
this guy again
Excellent, my friend. You good? Yeah, you're pushed, man. You're pushing. I'm coming to you now. Okay.
Oh yeah, go France, ka wheelchair.
Serious, man.
You hlangane mathuni.
Hey, how's it? You good?
Good. Let's stand on the side.
All right, yeah. So how many kilometers of Vancouver are you?
Yeah, I've done 1,300 kilometers now.
1,300 kilometers?
Yeah.
Tell me, how many kilometers to France exactly from here?
25,000 kilometers to go.
25,000?
Yeah.
So tell me, my friend, does your family know that you're here? You're traveling to France?
Yeah, I told them when I left Cape Town that I will travel from Cape Town straight to France. It's for my mental health.
Your mental health?
Yeah.
Yeah, you need help though.
Yeah. My man, can you please cut the video?
Oh, all right.
Yeah, that's good.
Hey, my man, please give me a lift. I'm tired of this shit.
Lift?
Yeah, give me a lift.
You said you're going to Cape Town with a wheelchair.
Hey, cut it. I'm going to lift. So, I'm going to wheelchair on the boot lap. I'm going to put lifting here, right? As I'm going to open the boot, I'll put the wheelchair.
Welcome to Mzansi. Thanks for making it this far. I really appreciate your time, guys. Hope to see you on the next upload. Take care.
Masango, sicela nisivulele isango, sizocela ubuhlobo. Thina baka Masango, sithunyelwe indodana umthokozisi. ngithi ubona imbali enhle ngapha kwaGumede naku esinilethele kona.
Nola bantu mana bekho serious bathi bazela ukuzolobola mara baphetha amaphinas. Le mali incane mani ningazodlala ngathi phela kumele naze lana nizolobola igenius. Nisithathela advantage ngoba nisibona generous phezwa lapho ningakhohla nisesenama areas. Ingane imithisiwe ningakazanga nizobika naqhubeka nangegama nathi umntwana uElias. Yeba bumasango mani manyala wani lawo enhlek ngiyayikhuphula lenhlawulo 5,000 and leyo mali ngifuna nikhokhele khona manje anginandaba ukuthi nikhokha ngamaphepha or ikhawo. Ngikasukile mana ngikhoni nokupretenda phela mfowethu mani labantu sabalinda ngoDisemba basikhohlisa bathi bayeza zanke beze ngabhoreka leyo ndaba iyangigwadisa cause bayiqale ngoNovember. Nizosinda nginibonanga maningena kube nibone yimi kube nginilumise nangezinje. Maruzandi naye simkhulise kahle sovelo wakhetha ukusirewata ngokuthandana naleginsa. Eish bokuzoba ngcono ukusilethela amabhinqa ori out grand ezihambelana ngebhima. Out of yonke out ekhona grand la emhlabeni uZandile naye wakhetha ukusilethela i-drug dealer.
Ingazodlala nina abantu bakwaGumede kahle kahle nifuna ukuthini ukuthi thina singamasela size ngomoya omuhle mara manje niyastelela and angeke sinyekele lokho nikhwela nizehlela niqale nathi thina njani saniyekela sakhetha ukuthi sithule for ipeace naqhubeka manje nithi thina singamakini zabotsotsi yabona kuleyo ndawo babuGumede niyasukela siyavuma vele yona ingane yethu inamaphutha mara nina kumele nikade ukuthi nithini manikhuluma sinikeni intonipho babuGumede asomblief man nyekele le ndaba yokuthi nisibiza bogulufu kanti selukula or selukuzolobola angisho nakusile babuGumede sakhokhotha saphinda saxolisa satishwele sakhokhoba siyalivuma lelo cala lenhlawulo senkolota.
Yeba bumasango isuku ledalamba njalo angeke niqale ngokulobola umntwana ningakamhlawulanga kanti nikhulelephi nina abantu bakwaMasango ngathi ukulele kunye kini ngabe kubili kuyavusana. Lalela ngokutshele nayi indaba ongayibuzanga lelobola liyamisa ingqondo zenu azikahluzanga ningasaphinde nibuye lana nithi nizolobola manje silonge silenhlawulo nina ningakayilungisanga.